A new ethics complaint has been filed against the attorney from Colorado who worked with former President Trump to try and overturn the results of the election. The state's United Democracy Center, which describes itself as a nonpartisan organization for secure elections, filed the complaint against Jenna Ellis yesterday. Ellis, in one of her appearances on Next here, went from an obscure professor job at a Christian university in Colorado to being President Trump's attorney as he was promoting the big lie that the election was stolen. This ethics complaint requests that the Colorado Supreme Court's Office of Attorney Regulation open an investigation into what Ellis did to convince Vice President Pence not to certify the election. The complaint notes that Ellis attempted to discredit the election results. It asks for an investigation, and if the findings are sustained, for substantial discipline. That could be a censure, that could be suspension, or it could be full disbarment, as in Ellis can no longer practice law here. We asked our 9 News legal analyst Whitney Traylor about it, and he said that violations that happen in court as opposed to out of court tend to carry the more severe sanctions. But that might not help Ellis.
There's a difference between being in court and out of court. Because certainly in court, when you're signing a pleading, when you're stating something before the judge, yeah, you're not under oath as a witness, but you're certainly an officer of the court expected to tell the truth. When you're outside in your everyday life, that's different. But here she was essentially acting in the capacity of as a Trump attorney, purporting herself to represent, the president. Then that is going to increase her culpability because she's representing to the public.
Ellis has also been subpoenaed by the House committee that's investigating the January 6th